All right, let's take a look at cabin 4260. Is a category 6A Oceanview on Carnival Mardi Gras. Beds are at the front, which means no scooters are allowed. Something to be very aware of if you do need a scooter. Make sure your beds in your cabin are at the back, like where that sofa is, and the sofa is where the beds are. That door indicates this is a connecting stateroom, so be aware of that as well. They can be a bit louder unless you know the people in that cabin and you wanted a connecting stateroom. I don't usually recommend them if you can avoid it. Here are your power outlets on the main desk there. Some extra shelving on the wall. Notice the lip is very small on that, so don't put anything breakable on those. And there is your window for the ocean view, the curtain. Here is your fridge. Some extra drawers here. There's your hairdryer. And you have an ottoman there. Please note, you can put, they've got some extra bedding in there, but often that is empty, so you can use that for extra storage if you wish to. Artwork on the wall. Nice big mirror there as well, you'll see. Again, there is that stateroom connecting door. You'll also notice either side of the bed they have these night lights. They have a USB port underneath each one. If there's one by the chair, the sofa, there is not usually a USB port. This is obviously set for 2 twin beds rather than 1 king, where they just put the beds together. Some extra hangers on the wall there, and here is your bathroom. Mirror on the wall there. Now you'll notice that the shelving here has a bigger lip, so you can put stuff in there that won't fall, but the ones in the main cabin do have a habit of falling. There's a little step there for the ladies for shaving. I'm told to say that by Julie every time. And glass door, not a shower curtain, you will notice. Storage area here, a lot of hangers. Now note that these shelves, they're magnets on the side that you can lift them up to make more hanging space or lower them down to make more shelving space, depending on what you need. A nice big mirror there. Hello, Mr. Zebra. And 2 more here, so you've got plenty of storage space. 4 storage units basically in this room. There's your safe and some more shelving baskets towards the bottom. So yeah, a lot of storage space in this room. But be aware of that scooter issue if you do need a scooter in rooms like this. Because when the sofa's at the front, the beds are at the back, and you'll find that each alternate rooms are the same. They kind of interlock, if that makes sense. There's your thermostat for temperature control. So that's cabin 4260. You'll see at the top circled in yellow, that is where it is. It's category 6A Oceanview. And this is what is in the room. You see it's connecting to stateroom 4256. And note, no scooter, very important. Well, thanks for watching. Don't forget, subscribe, hit that bell, and you'll get notifications when new videos come out. And don't forget, click on the links to the left and right of me. You can watch playlists, new video suggestions, and more. Any questions? Email me, cruisingsuitguy@gmail.com. And don't forget, I'm a travel agent. Email for help.